Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So this is a VR video response to BlindOwl, Bushcraft, and Survival. I'm actually new to his channel. Seems like a really great guy. Just started watching a couple weeks ago. And digging his work. He has a video called EDC Fire Kit. And in the title of this title of the video, it says, you know, it's still too much weight. Which got me to thinking about an EDC Fire Kit for myself. And I thought I'd do a VR, you know, give him a shout out to, and I'll link his video down below, so you can just go straight to his video, simply click it, and you can watch, see what he says, see what he does. So, in my opinion, the EDC, in my opinion, and you know, everyone, and you know what they say about opinions. You know, just like your ass, everyone has one. So, and I'm fine with being, I'm not going to lose sleep if someone disagrees with me. You know, everyone's everyday carry is their own thing. You know, it's as personal as the way you like your haircut. You know, the way your significant other does things to you. You know, how you like your eggs cooked. You know, it's preference. Everyone has their own preferences. Some preferences agree, some overlap, some people disagree. Like I know people who won't eat eggs over on sunny side up. Because I won't eat them sunny side up because I can see the yolk. Like, okay. Stuff like that. Example. So everyone has their own preference. Now I came up with and actually I haven't. This was actually put together previously. This is just one of those Altoid tins. And this is a reflective tape. Now I know what you're probably thinking, well Mark, you can't put that in the fire because you're going to melt that tape off. Well, two things. One, if I was going to put this in the fire to make char, I would peel the sticker off or just burn the stupid sticker up. Because fire to me is more important than signaling. You know, if I peel this off and it still has any amount of adhesive to it, I'd wrap it around a stick, jam it in the ground, you know, so if a flashlight hits it, that's not, well, a flashlight hits it, oh, there he is. But also, they'd have to be shooting a flashlight right at it, or just happen across it, and you go, well, there's something flashing over there. You know, if they're facing the other direction, this isn't going to do jack. So, fire is more important. So let me turn the camera down, and show you what I have in here. Okay, so here it is, and it's missing two things, and that is, it is missing two zip top bags. And the reason I would put this into a zip top bag is because it would add a layer of waterproofing to my kit. And also, if you've watched Oven's Rocky Mountain Bushcraft car, he made fire using a zip top sandwich bag, and I want to do that at some point because it looked badass. So as I said, I tailor these to my needs and my skill level, and I keep it pretty simple. I have just a simple Bic lighter. This is some of that fire cord. Is that camera focusing on this? I'm on camera. This is that fire cord you can get with the center that's that you can burn. And it's wrapped with jute twine, so I got two tinder sources. My ferrocerium rod. This is just a blank with a hole drilled in it for and I got more jute twine, so I have two sources of tinder. And I might change this. Two birthday candles. You know, for lighting your fire, you light them and then you let the wax get your fire going. And I just have a sporadic stormproof matches and also the strike anywhere matches in here, which I might actually change this now that I'm thinking about it, because I don't have one of my super scrapers, which I just ordered more online. I needed a couple more, so I ordered them. But you know, I have tinder, flame plus tinder. I consider these sort of a tinder because they burn a good long time. And just your matches. Now, some people are against matches, and that's fine. I got the striker pad glued to the inside of the lid. So, had I known then what I know now, I would have put this on like a little piece of cardboard or something. or put on a little piece of something that was thin and light, and then I could put some of the tape on the other side and then just simply punched a hole in it and hung it up for signaling if I needed to. Yeah, but this is, now that I'm looking at this is not all I want to do. So this might just be version 1, a kickstart as you will, because I want to put a magnifying glass in here and for solar. So this might actually change significantly, or it might change somewhat. And also I need to get a scraper in here. Oh, I could use the back of my knife, but I really like those scrapers. This might be a version 1 of this kit. Okay, so to be honest, I actually hadn't looked in this in a while, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna make some changes to this. I'm gonna add the scraper that I like, because it's what I like, and also I'm going to oh, another car. So anyway, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna post this video, but I'm gonna change this, and it'll be another version, a more thought out version, one with a magnifying glass in here, because I think that'd be better, because you can always. And then also I need to put the sandwich bags in there. Plus, I know where some birch trees grow, and there's like a batch of birch trees, so I'm going to stop and grab some of that and add it to this kit. And what I want to do is I'm going to create a playlist. So I want to try to do a different kind of fire with this. You know, over time, it's not going to be, you know, just every week I'm going to crank one out like I'm doing with the Fatwood Fire. But what I'd like to do is also invite you, content creators. If you want to come up with an EDC Fire Kit of your own, I will add it to my playlist and hopefully give you a little exposure. If people check out the playlist, hey, let's check out this guy's channel. Maybe you drop a sub or two, would be nice, or a view or two for your channel, which would be great. And I like to see what you come up with. So I'm going to definitely change this for myself. Also, yeah, I got a few things on the way. I just ordered something yesterday, so I might wait a week and add those to this as well. Yeah, so anyway, I'm curious what you're going to come up with, or just leave a comment down in the description. Agree, disagree. I know some aren't going to agree with my thoughts on EDC, but you know, it is what it is. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. And I hope to see some VRs. I'm curious, guys, what you got. Be curious to what you guys come up with. Off to the next video, I think, or just head home, whichever. Yeah, I'm kind of done for now. All right, peace.